I used to think engineering was very masculine, very hands-on, getting dirty, but companies like Tharsus and technological innovation has inspired me more to explore the different areas of engineering.
I was lucky enough in school to get to do engineering, and I really enjoyed getting to see my products coming from the designs and the initial drawings all the way through to something that I actually built. So I decided to carry that on as a career.
I was looking for reputable employers within the area, and I was immediately drawn to Tharsus because of the, again, complex nature of the industry that it is in, and my degree focused on new emerging technologies, and I developed a great interest and passion for it through that.
I found out about Tharsus through Ricardo, and I chose them because they are very creative and they foster a good work environment for all of its employees.
So I found out about Tharsus online. I chose it just because of the opportunities that are available within the company.
I don't think many other companies offer what Tharsus does, having a sister company that and they can rotate around both businesses.
I think the range of different departments that I'll get exposure to in the business will just really make me understand where I want to go within engineering.
When you're in university, you don't sort of specialise in one area, so allowing myself to find the best fit for myself will be a real advantage.
I chose my career path because it offers challenge and learning every day.
Getting my hands stuck into a project, it's going to be challenging and I'm going to learn a lot from here, so I'm excited to get the experience.
I'm looking forward to rotating around the business, seeing all different sides of how it runs and how the company operates.
The variation in different fields and certainly the automation sector look very interesting to me, and the presence in the North East definitely inspired me to join the company.
I'm really looking forward just to getting stuck into projects and just to expand my skill set and learn from the best.